Aquafaba or chickpea juice instead of oil? Really? Can it work? When I saw two of my favorite YouTubers, PB with Jay or Plant Based with Jeremy and Getting Healthy with Stasia, come out with videos on using Aquafaba instead of oil in their cooking, I thought I have to give this a try. So today I'm going to use Aquafaba in one of my recipes to see if it takes the place with oil. I haven't had these roasted potatoes in I don't know how long, you guys, because to me they just taste so good with oil. And I thought, how can I cook them without oil? Well, maybe Aquafaba is coming to the rescue. We'll see. Let's get right to it. So the star of the show today, Aquafaba. So I just have a can of organic chickpeas, and I'm just going to drain it into a measuring cup. So we have the bean juice from the chickpeas, which is the Aquafaba. And I'll set that aside. Then I have my cut up potatoes and carrots. I'll put those into a big bowl. I've drained them, washed them, drained them, and chopped them up. Put those into a big bowl. And I'll start out with 3 tablespoons of Aquafaba instead of oil. And we'll see how this goes. I'll mix that around first just to kind of get the feel. So make sure all the potatoes and carrots are well coated. I'll add Italian seasoning. Do a half a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. A teaspoon of onion powder. Teaspoon of garlic powder. In my book, you can't have too much onion or garlic. Some pepper, just a few turns, and then salt, about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then I'll mix this all around. Make sure it gets well coated with the seasonings. And already the seasonings are sticking, which is nice. Yeah, seasonings are sticking really good, you guys. That's what we want, right? And then I'll take my parchment lined baking sheet and just pour these out on here. And move them around. I usually like the skin side down, but I won't be too picky about it. Just make sure that the veggies have some room to breathe. They already look so good, so we'll see. I'll put them in the oven at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. I'll check them at 25 and then see if they need to go in for longer. Okay, it's been 25 minutes. I poked them and they still seem hard. So I'm going to put them in for 15 more minutes, but I'm going to kind of move them around a bit. They're getting those, some of them are getting those crunchy little bits on them, which I love. And so far looking good. So far it's like all the seasonings staying on, which is really what we use the oil for, right? And the Aquafaba seems to be doing the trick. All right, in for 15 more minutes and then we'll see. Taste them. I don't know if it worked. I haven't had roasted veggies in a long time, you guys. I usually just, or actually like roasted potatoes. I do my baked veggies in the oven. Ooh, this is a really soft carrot. Yum. I guess I could keep them in for longer to get more crispy on the outside. Some of them have those crispy areas. But we'll see. The perfect bite, a potato and a carrot together. Oh, hot. Oh my gosh, but so good, you guys. Yum. And the seasoning stayed on, like they are seasoned. Oh my gosh, and the potatoes are so soft on the inside, and the outside has a little like crunchy. You know how when you do roasted veggies in the oven, how they're just the outside is a little tougher and the inside gives you that soft bite? That is exactly how these are. Yes. Aquafaba is a win on the roasted, whoops. On the roasted veggies. I love it. I know what I'm having for lunch. So good. All right, you guys, that's it. The Aquafaba on the roasted veggies were a win. Thumbs up. I guess they all know what they're talking about. I'll see you next time.